This is our universe. The information is delivered in light years. This is our Earth. The information is delivered in milliseconds. This is our city. The information is delivered faster with various methods. This is Fanvil technology. We insist on making every communication more efficient and easier. To connect the value of voice, we enhance the immersive experience within a video conference.
I think your idea is good.
We provide connections to your family and friends. We provide more reliable safeguards using modern technology. We provide faster response within security applications. We are committed to providing our customers and partners with efficient and reliable unified communication devices and solutions. Improve business productivity. Stay connected with family. Keep your communication safe. Fanvil technology, connecting the value of voice.